Day one。
Okay. I'm here.
好的，我到了。
Hey! I made it!
Is everything all right?
Yeah! You can come up!
You do know you have the walkie-talkie, right?
对讲机这里。
You can come up.
Just go ahead. I need to find something in my backpack.
What exactly? The gear should already be at the camp.
You will know when the time comes. Patience.
Very well. You can catch up, yes? The path leads through that canyon.
I know.
寻找营地，兄弟们。
Oh, have you tied down the boat?
See, Jake, I know this might sound stupid under the circumstances, but I am glad we came back here.
Yeah, I feel you. The place is beautiful. Still,
we can't forget what we came here for in the first place, I know. But as soon as we're settled in, I am off to the Jawahaka village. And what if they will not speak to us?
come on, let's not get ahead of ourselves. You're a phenomenal interpreter. If anyone can communicate with them, it's you.
Good thing I have an anthropologist at hand, Dr. Higgins.
这个螺可以拿。这里它。 大石头，哎，有营地嘞！
Okay, I found the tent.
我们找
Is
到帐
everything
篷
all
了。
right?
Spacious interior, luxurious cots, not all that fancy. Oh, and there's a dirt floor.
As long as it doesn't leak, I am fine with it.
Soul Trail always delivers. At first glance, it looks like we have everything we might need.
Perfecto.
Well, that's everything. We're officially settled in.
You know what that means, don't you?
I remember the agreement, but maybe we should reconsider this. I'm not sure it's the best idea for you to visit them alone.
Cariño, you know I have to do this. It's the only way to make them talk. Oh, don't worry. It'll be all right. Better pick up some wood. Let's have a romantic dinner.
Romantic canned beans.
给点柴。
Use your imagination.
原始部落，这里是他们土地和遗产，一如过去数千年一样，所有人来到此地都会应当尊重这一点。我们最后一次见到他们已经是3年前了，他们通常怀着恐惧对待未知事物，虽然很疯狂，但我却其实需要他们帮助。我们整个计划从败决于他们。原始部落，这里有原始部落。找个生活地方。这啥？雨林哺乳动物无害。这地区当然有许多美丽的生物，许多小哺乳动物是当地原住民的食物来源之一。这些蛋白质丰富脂肪食物是果实、陨石虫、 良好的补充，可以啊。因为进行了挖毒仪式，这个地球上最致命的两性动物完全是对原住民的伤害。南美洲部落获得做青蛙的然后直到他们对毒素免疫，牛逼啊！亚巴瓦卡人居住在热带雨林深处，是约80个原始部落之一。由于害怕现代世界的残酷，他们绝大部分与世隔绝。他们欢迎我们玩，他们是关键的，也是我们来此唯一的线索。哦，找原始人了，兄弟们，我们来找原始人了啊！我们先找一个地方生活。笔记本重要来源，小心货柜。啊，小木棍，木棍，可以啊，建造。
Honey, I can't seem to find a bag or two. Are you sure you brought everything?
Yeah, everything the porters left. Why? Is anything missing?
I'm not sure yet, but it feels that way.
这就有啊，木棍，哎，干嘛？哦，好多好多。这可以。先不用这个，我们先建造篝火。这长的树叶，小树枝。可以啊。这是长放这儿。木棍，这是木棍啊。拿个小木子，小木棍。
I need to find something dry.
树叶，干树叶或鸟窝，干树叶。是干树叶吗？小树叶，这个是吗？这不是。干树叶啊。这是树叶堆，干树叶。 是哪一种？哎，这里，这里是干树叶吧？这不是。对，就这，就这个吧。走，干树叶。
Well, looks like everything's ready. Mia, can you bring me a lighter?
Remember when I mentioned we seemed to be
我看我打
lacking
火
some
机你都没
equipment?
带。
Don't tell me.
Yeah, we have no fire.
Not a single lighter, nor box of matches. We ordered both. Did you check everywhere?
I did. You need to do it the old-fashioned way.
Well, not the best start of the expedition.
砍刀也能啊。打火石，有火了。
Oh, Mia! The fire is burning.
Coming. Give me a minute.
How do you do it?
What?
You seem so calm.
I am calm. I don't know how to explain it, but strangely, it feels safer here than there.
Oh, I don't know. Jaguars, venomous spiders, and snakes. Let's not forget the scorpions. A mere ant's bite hurts like hell.
还有
I
蝎
am well
子、
aware of that.
美洲豹
But。still, we have a chance to achieve something, make a difference. At home, all we could have done was be helpless and wait. I prefer the wilderness.
Yeah, you're right. I'm optimistic. If we're gonna find answers, hell, it'll be here. This time we need to pay attention to the slightest details. Last time I must have missed something.
Last time, you were only making general observations. This time, we have a specific goal.
Nonetheless, I'm a bit worried about you meeting the Yabawaka.
Everything will be fine. I need to go alone. We already agreed that's the only way. Besides, they don't seem to like you.
They don't seem to like outsiders. They shot arrows at a military chopper.
Hard to blame them. Since you published your book, they've been under siege by the media, scientists, doctors. The World Health Alliance established a medical camp and probably performed research, violating the tribe's taboos. But I will convince them. I have to.
搜寻帐篷，那不是有一个吗？棍，就是嘛。帐篷。我到了村子，醒后用无线电呼叫我，我给你准备一声响。啥？他去哪里了？村子啊？
Hello? Mia?
Hey, sleepyhead. Finally up?
你在哪儿？
Where are you?
I should reach the village shortly.
Remember, if you see a totem, do not go any farther. Those are clear warnings.
I know. I read your book.
Well, I was hoping we'd have breakfast together. You surprised me, that's all.
Admit it. You thought I forgot your birthday, didn't you? Well, I didn't.
桌子上拿个礼物。桌子上拿礼物，哦，这儿手表。这手表啊
Exactly what I wanted. It even has solar batteries.
太阳能。
And a macro element scanner. Check yourself to see if you're not missing any. We've been here only a few days, but stress can wear you out.
你可以将背包放在就拿出一个糖果。
Well rested and well fed.
Perfect. And keep it that way. We need that brain of yours working at peak performance.
I'll try to take good care of it. Have you found him yet?
See. And as expected, they don't want to talk. They behave as if I am not here.
But they haven't driven you away. That's a good sign. You need to convince them that you're one of them.
有礼物迪亚，
Brave girl.
Thanks for the encouragement. Looks like I'm on my own from now on. We can't get in touch so often as long as I remain in the village.
Been thinking the same, but didn't want to say it. I really don't want to lose touch.
If anything goes wrong, I'll leave the village and get you on the radio. Otherwise, you can assume everything is just fine and there is no need to worry.
All right. Let's focus on the goal. I'll be focusing on indexing new plant species. I think I saw a few new specimens around here.
软木板，这个吗？软木板，之前我都看过了呀。寻找什么人？哑巴瓦卡人。哦，这样看了。烟草植物叶子对治疗有毒，动物叮咬很有帮助。营地的北面，看到这种植物，然后也之后就发现一大片。营地的北面哎，营地的北面。爬过一块岩石，营地的北面，这个我知道，这个可以拿走吗？营地的北面，爬过一块岩石，往北寻找，加点罐头去可以吗？这个是啥？录音机，带录音机去干嘛？我看看带什么？有刀不？要有刀就行。 带刀就行了，兄弟们，丛林王者啊，丛林之王，带帐篷去吧。我带不了，带不了帐篷啊。骷髅战士，昨天我们经过时发现一群神秘的骷髅战士出现在河岸，他们是谁？亚巴卡瓦鼠，害怕他们。哦，他们不是亚巴卡瓦人啊，他们是骷髅战士哦。骷髅战士。北。北，找不到北啊！我靠，那边啊，这边，怎么上去啊？爬过岩石，怎么上啊？好，北。北，哎，洞啊！这里，这，这边。怎么上啊？爬过岩石。哦，这里，我
Oh, fuck me. Mia, I know I was supposed to not call, but a line snapped and I fell down a good 30 feet.
Jasmine, are you okay?
I'm not sure.
Hold on. I'll walk away a bit so they can't hear you. Let me know once you have checked yourself.
检查身体。
Oh, that's definitely not good. It's all right. Nothing's broken. Just scratches and bruises. Nothing to worry about.
In the jungle, every scratch can be dangerous. You need to patch everything up. Do you remember how to do it?
当然记得了，用船之草。一针。
Yes, I do. Mollinaria. Long, smooth, acute leaf, surrounded by yellow flowers.
That's it.
Okay, I'll go look for it.
You should have it in your notepad. Call me when you've treated your wound.
看下
Roger
船
that.
草收
Over and
集
out.
船之草。 OK， 这个留一包，对不对？
Here I am, all wrapped up nicely.
Does it hurt?
疼吗？
Not much.
Good. Hopefully, it will heal fast.
So, how are you doing?
I'll be initiated in a few days. I am optimistic. I expect to be treated as one of their own after that. And I should be able to ask some questions then. Some elders are opposed to this, though. Luckily, Chief Kulini is on my side.
Why are they opposed?
I think they were divided even before I
对，
joined
这里
them.
这里，
The chief wanted to approach the World Health Alliance peacefully, but a few of the elders insisted on fighting. Now, the Jabahuaca basically have two factions.
分裂成2个阵营了。
Sounds dangerous, Mia. Be careful.
I'm not in any danger. Told you, I'm optimistic.
我们去闯。第32天，我靠！
Jake, please come in. Jake, I need you here. Jake, please,
就
please answer me.
怎么了？
Mia? What happened? Mia, speak to me. Mia! What the hell's going on over there?
什么鬼？这一下子就30多天了。寻找米娅，米娅在哪儿啊？我怎么知道？等会儿啊。寻找。看没？妈，老子这么一根长木头，你他妈的把我带这儿干嘛？